2019 will be a significant year for employment law. There are a number of pieces of legislation scheduled for 2019 that employers need to be aware of. The first is the Employment Miscellaneous Provisions Act and the elimination of effectively 0 hours contract. The second is gender pay gap reporting, and finally I just wanted to touch on family leave provisions. The Employment Miscellaneous Provisions Act will commence in March 2019. It's had a fairly rocky path, but it is to commence, as I say, in March 2019. What it's designed to do is to give security and predictability for employers on variable working hours. There are significant criminal sanctions and anti-penalisation provisions in the legislation, so employers need to be well aware of the provisions of the Act. Another significant piece of legislation will be the mandatory gender pay gap reporting. This was the biggest business story in the UK apart from Brexit, and it's coming our way. It will apply at this stage to employers with more than 250 employees, but employers need to be on top of the requirements of gender pay gap reporting. The final area to mention is that of family leave changes. The government's intention is to introduce paid parental leave from November 2019, amounting to 2 weeks paid parental leave. Also, they're talking about increasing parental leave from 18 to 26 weeks. And finally, there's a lot of discussion about shared maternity leave. So family leave is a really big issue for 2019.